What a brand new day. Every day comes with its uniqueness, but some things are constant. Things like people always on the move, the noisy environment, and of course, people trying to be creative to make ends meet. Join us on this journey as we talk about creativity. This is Mr. Kazim, a local blacksmith.
Mo jẹ́ balógun tuntun lágbẹ̀dẹ ti ìlú Ẹdẹ ní Ọ̀ṣun State. Bákan náà ni ẹnì kejì mi yìí, Tajudeen Shittu, ìtajà wà ní wọ́sọ̀pù. Òun náà jẹ́ ọmọ Ẹdẹ. Bóyá ká rọ ọ̀bẹ.
The tongue is used to hold firmly the metal in place so that it can be hammered easily, and also it prevents the heat from inflicting injury on the blacksmith. The bellow is used to fan the furnace to flame, making it hot enough to impact the metal with its heat. The hammer, of course, is used to beat the metal to shape. The metal base upon which all metals are beaten to shape were red hot. Our metal has been impacted with heat, and Mr. Kazim has to put in a lot of strength, technicality, craftsmanship in order to get the desired shape needed. This requires a lot of patience, and technicality. He has to put it back again into the fire, the furnace to heat it up for continuous hammering. And this will go on and on and on till the metal gets the shape. And this is just one edge. You have to do it for both edges. The other edge goes into the furnace again. Just like the first, it follows the same procedure. Another hammering to get the flat shape. This not easy. Meanwhile, Tajudeen prepares the wood for the handle. Some joyous moments while working is needed. It eases the stress. Teamwork makes the dream work. We see another person carefully carving the handle. Mr. Kazim retrieves the handle and bores a hole in the handle using a hot chisel. It's time to join metal and wood. And the impact is evident as it smokes. Whoa. Mr. Kazim has to make the handle more firm. Cooling time. Mr. Kazim has to make the handle more firm. In order to do that, he has to smudge it more with heat. The wood has to be smudged with heat. It could also be a form of design. Our knife is almost ready. It's heated again. And now proper sharpening. A little tapping. Mr. Kazim is satisfied with the job, and our knife is ready to cut. Wow! This is creativity. Africa creates.